In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void an invoice using QuickBooks, an essential tool for managing your business finances effectively. Whether it's a mistake on an invoice or a transaction that didn't go through, knowing how to void an invoice can save you from financial chaos. So let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to the QuickBooks homepage. You can either type in the QuickBooks URL in your browser or use a bookmark if you have it saved. Once you're on the homepage, you'll find a variety of options to explore your financial data. For our purpose today, we're interested in accessing sales information. Now, navigate over to the menu and click on All Sales. This section is your command center for monitoring all your sales transactions. It includes invoices, sales receipts, and other transaction types in QuickBooks. It provides a comprehensive view of what's happening in your business world. Once you're in the All Sales section, look for a drop-down menu. This is crucial for refining the list of transactions you're looking at. By clicking on this drop-down box, you can filter the sales transactions displayed. This comes in handy when you're dealing with a large volume of transactions and need to pinpoint an exact invoice to void. Now, within the drop-down box, you should see a highlighted option. This will usually be the option most relevant to the settings or the personnel that have used the system last. Select the highlight to continue narrowing down your options and find the invoice you need to void. After locating the correct invoice, look for a Void option. This will be in the toolbar above your sales transactions or within the Invoice options once you've selected it. Clicking this doesn't automatically void the transaction, but instead prompts a confirmation to ensure this action is what you intend to do. It's a safeguard that helps prevent accidental voiding of invoices that were meant to remain active. The final step is to confirm the action by clicking on Void Invoice. You'll likely be asked to confirm this action, as voiding an invoice is often irreversible without additional assistance or actions. By confirming, you are essentially telling QuickBooks that this transaction no longer exists in the way it was initially recorded. Remember, it's important to note that voiding an invoice will adjust the recorded revenue on the financial statements to reflect this change. And there you have it, a straightforward process to void an invoice in QuickBooks, helping ensure your financial records remain accurate and organized. Practice this process a few times, and it'll soon become second nature. Thanks for tuning in today, and feel free to check out more tutorials on managing your business finances with QuickBooks.